Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss another example, example 3.9, that means construct a square equal to area of a rectangle whose sides are 100 mm and 50 mm long. That is our question. For getting our answer, first we have to draw a straight line AD 100 mm length. Now fix your protractor at point A likewise. Now mark its 90 degree here. Similarly, at D we have also mark 90 degree here. Through this point we have to draw a straight line from both the point A and D. Now take your compass and set a 50 mm radius in your compass and erect the compass point at A and draw an arc here. Similarly, with the help of point D, that means D as center, draw another arc keeping 50 mm length. Now here get another 2 point here. That point is marked as, this is C and this is B. Now joining these 2 points by the help of a scale and ruler. Okay. Now extend the point D to some extent. That means draw an extension line from the point D through a convenient length. Now D as center and DC radius, draw an arc from the point C. That arc cut this extension line here. This point is denoted by the letter P. Now draw a bisector of line AP. For that, take more than half length of the line AP in your compass. Draw an arc at upper side and lower side. And reset your compass point at P. Draw an arc here. That arc cut the previous one. Similarly, at here. Now draw a bisector through this point. Now we have to get 2 halves. That means this point is denoted by the letter O. That means AO equal to OP. AO is equal to OP. Now draw an arc with O as center and AO as radius. Draw an arc here. That arc finally join with the point P here. Now extend the line DC in this direction. And that time that line cut the bigger arc here. That point is marked as E. Now take your compass again and set a radius D in your compass. D in your compass, and with E as your center, draw an arc here. Similarly, draw an arc here. That arc cut this straight line here. This point is marked as G. Now reset your compass point at the point G and draw an arc here. That point is called F. This point is called F. Now by the help of your scale, you have to connect all the points E to F and F to G. Now you have to get the required square from the rectangle. Now mark all the dimensions. Length of rectangle is 100 mm. This is 100 mm. 100 mm, and the width is 50 mm. This width is 50 mm. Now we have to construct a square from a rectangle. Okay.